Hey bonsai enthusiasts! Want a bonsai but don't have hours to care for it? No worries, I've got you covered. Today we're looking at the best low-maintenance bonsai trees that even the busiest beginners can keep alive. Plus, stick around for the #1 mistake that kills even hardy bonsai. Welcome to the Bonsai Barn. If you're new here, I share simple bonsai tips to help you grow thriving trees. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's dive in. Why choose a low-maintenance bonsai? Some bonsai species are naturally resilient, handling occasional mist watering and varying light conditions. The right choice can mean less stress, more enjoyment. What are the best low-maintenance bonsai trees? 1. Jade Bonsai, Portulacaria afra. Stores water in its leaves, making it drought-tolerant. Forget to water? No problem. 2. Chinese elm, a tough tree that thrives indoors or outdoors. Its fast growth makes it great for practicing pruning techniques. 3. Ficus Bonsai, one of the best indoor bonsai. Tolerates low light, inconsistent watering, and beginner mistakes. 4. Juniper Bonsai, a classic outdoor bonsai that needs bright light and occasional watering. Low maintenance, high reward. 5. Dwarf Jade, similar to the Jade Bonsai but even hardier and easy to style, almost indestructible. Here are some simple care tips for these bonsai. Watering. Let the soil dry out slightly before watering. Overwatering equals root rot. Light. Most bonsai love bright, indirect sunlight. Ficus tolerates lower light. Soil and repotting. Use well-draining bonsai soil and repot every 2 to 3 years. Pruning. Even slow-growing trees need occasional trimming to stay healthy. The #1 mistake that kills hardy bonsai: overwatering. Many beginners assume bonsai need daily watering, but too much water rots the roots. Always check the soil moisture first before watering. Which of these trees do you like best? Let me know in the comments. Have a bonsai question? Drop it below. I reply to as many as I can. See you next time.